Don't throw away your leftover rice ever again. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn it into a delicious dish that you'll want to make almost every day. To start, heat a drizzle of vegetable oil in a pan. Add chopped onion and red bell pepper. Let them sauté for about 5 minutes over medium heat, stirring constantly for even cooking. Think of the perfect golden crust giving way to a warm, savory center. These rolls are a testament to creative cooking and zero waste. Once the onion and bell pepper are nicely browned, remove them from the heat and set them aside. Now take 2 cups of leftover rice from the day before and put it into a blender or food processor. If necessary, you can add a little water to make the blending process easier. This will help you to puree the rice more quickly and without any hassle. After blending the rice, set it aside. Take 4 cooked potatoes and with a fork, start mashing them until they are well crushed. These snacks are an excellent way to reuse leftover rice, turning it into an innovative and delicious dish. To this mixture, add the blended or processed rice, along with the sautéed onion and red bell pepper. Also include 100 grams of chopped ham, 100 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese, chopped green onions, chopped cilantro, and garlic powder to taste. Add half a teaspoon of salt and mix all the ingredients well until you have a homogeneous mixture. If this is the first time you're seeing one of my recipes, share your thoughts on today's recipe. I would love to know if you were already familiar with this way of utilizing leftover rice. It's a fantastic technique to prevent waste and breathe new life into your meals. Continuing with the preparation, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to the mixture and continue to incorporate all the ingredients thoroughly. Remember not to add too much salt, as the rice, ham, and cheese already contain some. This recipe is an incredible way to transform a basic ingredient into something extraordinary and delicious, ideal for a quick dinner or as an innovative appetizer. As these rolls hit the pan, they're not just cooking, they're transforming. With each sizzle, they become a crispy, cheesy delight that'll have everyone asking for more. Once your mixture is ready, take a plastic bag and place a portion of the rice and vegetable mixture inside it. Then, fry it in a pan with hot oil at a medium temperature. Allow it to brown for about 5 minutes over medium heat. Repeat this procedure with the remaining mixture. In just minutes, turn yesterday's rice into today's gourmet treat. This quick trick will change the way you look at leftovers forever. Serve the rolls hot, accompanied by your favorite sauce or a fresh salad for a complete meal. Enjoy every bite of these irresistible rice rolls. To take this recipe to the next level, consider adding a pinch of your favorite spices or herbs to the rice mixture before frying. Whether it's a bit of smoked paprika for a touch of warmth or some freshly ground black pepper for a spicy kick, customizing the flavor profile can make this dish uniquely yours.